So just a quick vid here at work. I thought I would just add to one of my other videos. See, these are the other gloves that I use. When I did my video the other day, I didn't have any of these at the shop, so just doing a little bit of work at the moment. Sorry for the flicker, there's just the fluorescent lights inside this cabinet. I thought I'd quickly show you these type of gloves while I'm here. I'm actually just doing a little bit of work, restoring some stuff. That there doesn't really need too much of a clean, just getting a little bit of a blast because I need to glue some stuff into it. But this here is some felt. It's pretty horrible stuff, but I just thought I'd show you how versatile these are, and just try and give this a little bit of a clean up and see what sort of condition we can bring that back up to. Nothing we can really do about the rips. It shouldn't be too big an issue. It's been glued back in. It may be replaced yet. We'll see how we go, but I just thought while I'm here, I'll take a couple of minutes, quickly show you those gloves, and I'll do a quick video if I can get it. It's a little harder to set up with no camera gear here. I'm just filming on my phone, but I'll fire that through and just sort of see how good we can bring up that felt. So if you bear with me for a second, I'll just get set up. So I hope you can hear me over the compressor there. Like I say, this is one of the first cabinets that I've built for a customer. It's been in use for about a year. Not ideal. The mesh on the bottom there is ferrous, so you can see where the powder coating's come off. It's started to rust, so that's something we'll look at replacing in the near future. But here's this felt. I'm just going to be gentle with it because it is degrading quite badly. And I'll give it a quick blast. Like I say, it's quite hard to film, so I'll cut this off once I've started, and then I'll come back and show you what it's like. So again, sorry for the flickering. We've got fluorescent lights in here. So I might just quickly try and take it outside. Light's a little better. You can still see some of the glue in there. And because it's so brittle, I haven't gone too hard out. But if I can get that to focus. You can see how it got all the dirt out of it. There's still like a little bit of glue in there, but if it was in a little bit better condition, I'd be able to blast a little bit more, and it actually does a really good job. It gets all of the dirt out of it, and before it looked like a dirt-filled foam, whereas now you can actually see it's like a felt. So yeah, pretty versatile machines. You can use them on many things that you probably thought you couldn't. And perfect for restoring old things, particularly like trims like this. Like I say, this could probably do with replacing, and it may still be replaced just yet, but it gives you a bit of an idea of what you can do. If it was in slightly better condition and just full of dirt, this would be a perfect way of getting it clean. But because it's sort of falling apart, I didn't want to go too hard on it. But yeah, just gives you an idea on how versatile these machines can be.